Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Smart fortwo. This two-door hatchback has engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Smart is a great value with less than 32,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 124 miles per gallon in the city and 94 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.